Hey Bamboo, pass me the wrench. Oh hey, sorry, I didn't see you there. Yes, today's video will be about plumbing, and yes, I am printing in my bathroom. Alright, joking aside, today I'm showcasing 10 plumbing 3D prints that I designed to save people money. I took a stroll through Home Depot to see if there are any plumbing parts that are easily recreatable using a 3D printer. We'll begin with something that isn't a common item in retail stores, and that is a half-inch Pex Cross Tee. Let's see how much money you'd save if you were to print your own. Wait, sorry, hold on, how much? $25? Of course, it's not going to be as strong as brass, but what I used it for, it served its purpose, which you'll about to see. The weak point is in the middle, but you'll see just right about now how hard it is to break it. I am using all my strength to snap it. It all depends on the material you use to print it with. I use PETG as it's stronger than PLA. I do recommend if anyone wants to print this particular fitting, please be aware that it is not for indoor use, only for outdoor gardening, low pressure irrigation systems. I'll show you an example of what I did with such fitting. The weather forecast showed that the temperatures will be dropping, so me and my wife had to act quick and build a tiny greenhouse for our plants. Note that I will be bundling up all of these 3D models and they will be available on my Cults 3D profile. Link will also be in the description. Next model is a tub wrench used to remove the tub strainer, whether you're getting a new tub, trying to unclog something, or changing the looks of your tub and overflow kit. You'll need this tool to remove existing tub strainer. This model has a hole built in so that you can insert a screwdriver to give yourself more leverage when turning it. Now this is where today's sponsor comes in. As you may know, some 3D prints aren't meant to be used to replace existing tools, such as this tub wrench. But what PCBWay offers you is that you can upload your 3D model and choose to have them manufacture it using metal instead of plastic. Give PCBWay a visit to make your project into reality. Now this wrench may not be a universal one, as I know there are different designs out there, but most of them have very similar structure. So what I've done is I included additional models within the bundle. Up next, we have an Escutcheon Plate that covers the hole in the wall or the floor where the supply line enters the room. It serves as a decorative piece more than anything, but can also prevent things from falling into the hole. What I like about being able to 3D print your own Escutcheon Plate is that you can choose any type of filament color that would match your existing flooring or bathroom accessories instead of the plain boring chrome color they usually come in. Very cheap and quick print that will spice up your bathroom. Alright, I'm actually kind of mad, disappointed, sad. I don't know how to feel about this. For a brief moment, I tried streaming on YouTube and I was showcasing how I was designing all of these models. When I created this, I felt amazing. I felt like I haven't seen anyone else do something like that. Until I went to Cults 3D, started browsing to see what people put out for plumbing in 3D printing world. So with each page that I jumped to, a smile kept forming on my face, thinking, yes, nobody has made this little wrench that I designed for half-inch water supply lines. Then my jaw dropped, as I saw almost an exact model with similar idea for wing placement. The difference, mine had a bottom floor that will prevent the model from moving around so much. It's a very sad feeling when you think you are first, just to find out you lost the race, and the winner is already signing autographs. Regardless, I'm happy there are people who think alike, and this model I'm sure will come really handy to you when installing a new faucet or changing your old water supply lines. In spot number 5, we have something that people love and hate, and that is Sharkbites. They're quite pricey when you consider the price of copper or PEX fittings. They love them because they're very easy to install and are compatible with a variety of different pipes, which includes PEX, copper, and PVC. Now the hate part is that some plumbers say they're not reliable when installed behind the wall, and if there's an issue, you'll probably not know until the issue becomes a bigger problem. Alright, so the model that I've designed is meant for removing said shark bites. Let's say you're changing the orientation of your plumbing, or just need to fix something. You can't just pull the shark bites off that easily. You'll need to have a special tool, which is a very simple model that I designed that will wrap around the pipe and press onto the shark bite, releasing the teeth that actually hold the pipe. As you saw, it will cost you $2.45 to buy a fitting like this versus 8 cents. We're slowly paying off your 3D printer and making it pay for itself. Awesome. This next model is a very simple design that you could use to put on your tub drain to catch any hair that might typically go down the drain when showering. Sometimes hair will collect within your drain, causing a blockage, which will then create a slow draining tub, requiring you to snake the hair out. This next model is for people who have clogged drains in their bathroom sink or bathtub. It's really first of its kind because it's somewhat experimental. You will need to glue each and every joint of the snake just so it doesn't come apart when you're snaking. Super glue is sufficient enough. Included in the bundle is also a regular snake that doesn't require gluing the joints. Again, a very simple print that will save you money. Now for this part, I blurred out what came out of the sink, but human imagination is very powerful, so I have no doubt you're capable of figuring out what gunk is down in your drain. Number 8, a very similar model to the tub drain hair catcher, is a bathroom sink hair catcher. This model is very quick and cheap to print and will save you significantly more money than other hair catchers that you can buy from retail or online stores. It's a good print for those who use their bathroom sink to shave. Let me know down in the comments what you think of these models so far. And if you liked the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for future content. In spot number 9, we have a 3/8 compression wrench, which allows you to tighten your shutoff valve in hard to reach places, as the design of the wrench is fairly narrow. The extended handle allows you to get more leverage than your typical wrench. And now that we're nearing the end of the video, the last design is something custom that I tried to create. This is a Pex Pipe Organizer. Sometimes you see people having messy runs when it comes to their plumbing. This holder, which will include 4 different STL files, will allow you to run your piping in parallel as a single, double, triple, or quadruple run. So now that you've seen these 10 designs, let's look at how much money you'd be saving if you were to print all of these models instead of buying them at a retail store or online store. We are looking roughly at $75 of savings if you were to 3D print your own tools for plumbing instead of buying them. That is $75 that your 3D printer saved you. Just to remind you, you can get access to all of these 10 3D models on my Cults 3D profile. The link will also be in the description. And once more, a big thank you to today's sponsor, PCBWay. They offer a lot of services ranging from 3D printing, PCB manufacturing, CNC machining, and a lot more. I'll leave their link in the description so you can check them out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.